Welcome everyone to RC Components. It's a big weekend for us here in Bowling Green because we do have the No Prep Kings racing at Beach Bend right here in our backyard. If you were following us, you did see that Jeff Lutz and Daddy Dave were here yesterday, and we've got some new wheels for Jeff. Well, now we're about to show you them going on the car. So check this out.
You know what? I've been so excited since you guys told me these were coming, and I'm just glad this day is finally here and we get to try them out. They look amazing. They were everything I expected. I'm just excited, and it's a gorgeous wheel. The wheel stands for itself.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that look into what we have going on with the GTO. Those F-5 wheels do look sick on there, and I cannot wait to see them going down the track, which we will do this weekend. So stay tuned for me to show you the goods. But if you want to get your own, you can check them out at shoprccomponents.com, and we can make yours just for you.